What if I told you you could start making money in 2025 using nothing but Google Maps? No prior marketing experience, no tech skills. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. This is one of the simplest and most overlooked business opportunities. And the best part, literally anyone can do it. I'm going to walk you through step by step in this video how to use Google Maps to find these businesses, offer them a simple software solution, and get paid again and again. This is the exact same strategy that I've shown with countless others who've been able to implement this and start seeing amazing results, even if you're a beginner. You don't need to be a marketing expert. You don't need to know how to code or have any technical skills for that matter. And don't worry, I'm not here to sell you some course or some high-ticket coaching program. All I ask from you in return is just smash that like button, share this video with a friend who might find this valuable, and drop a comment below. Once you've done those, I'll share with you a private link to unlock a free step-by-step course, all of my templates, all of my scripts, 100% for free. Not behind any paywalls or upsells or anything like that. So if you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed or feeling like every other side hustle requires too much upfront knowledge, I promise you this is different. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Google Maps to find local businesses and offer them a simple solution and get paid every single month, even if you've never made $1 online before. So let's get into it. All right, guys, we're going to be working with small local businesses and offering them a simple copy and paste lead generation strategy that you set up once, but keep getting paid every single month. I'll show you exactly how to position this service so that businesses see value immediately and keep paying you for years, even though the setup just takes a few minutes. Now, if you're thinking this is some SMMA, FBA, crypto, or this involves Facebook ads, or doing SEO for clients, we're doing none of that. And the best part is you can charge anywhere from $300 to $500 a month per client, depending on how you want to sell this. So who are your ideal clients? Think about your chiropractors, electricians, plumbers, hairstylists, any local service-based business. So let's head over to Google. For this example, I chose plumbers in Los Angeles. And as you scroll down, like this is a Google sponsored ad and they're paying to appear up here, and we're going to click more businesses. Did you know that 62% of businesses don't actually answer the phone on the first phone call? So what happens if somebody has an issue? They're going to call the next business, then the next one, and then the next one. So that all the hard work that, let's say, John's Plumbing here put into their business goes to waste because they didn't answer the phone and it went to voicemail. And if they call back 20 minutes later, that person might have just gotten off their lunch break, already booked an appointment with the second or third business that they called. So they're paying all these fees to be up here, but these potential customers are going to waste. But what's the solution, guys? The way we're going to solve this is by setting them up with something called automatic missed call text back. That's going to send a text to the person who called them in the case that they don't pick up. So imagine you call John's Plumbing here and they don't answer. But before you can call the next plumber, you immediately get a text saying, hey, this is John's Plumbing. I just saw that we missed your call. Sorry, we're helping other customers right now. How can I help? Think about how powerful this is. This just went from a lost opportunity where they never picked up, so the customer called somebody else, to an engaged lead. Now whatever service they need, they can just type it into the text box and reply. And if you're wondering, do they really miss that many calls? The answer is yes. A lot of these contractors and local businesses don't have full-time staff just answering calls or handling everything that just comes in. They're just busy. This guy's out in the field unclogging drains for people. His phone might ring, but he's under a sink and he can't pick up. And instead of hiring a full-time person and paying them thousands of dollars a month, he can pay you to solve this one problem. And this is true for any service-based business. If you had a leak in your ceiling and needed a roofer, would you wait for a call back? If your air conditioner was broken and you live in a hot city, are you going to wait hours for a response? Of course not. But if you got a text back immediately, you'd be way more likely to engage in that conversation instead of just moving on to the next business. Now I want to show you exactly how we're going to set this up. All right, so now that you understand how this works, let me show you how to set this up for the client in just 2 clicks. You're going to be utilizing the simple software just like this, and you're going to have your client log into their Gmail. This integrates their business into the system. Everything gets pushed over, and what you're going to then do is head over to their business profile settings, go to phone numbers, click voice and missed call text back, click enable missed call text back, customize the message here, and that's it. Setup complete. From now on, every missed call triggers a text message, keeping them engaged with potential customers. At this point, you might be wondering, why would a customer keep paying me every month if I only just set it up once? Well, let's do the math. The average plumbing job's worth $5,000, right? Now, if John's Plumbing misses 10 calls a week, just 10 calls per week, which is pretty normal, then even at a 10% closing rate, they're leaving $9,703 a month on the table, which is, let me do the math here, $116,436 per year in potential revenue. So if you're charging them $300 to $500 per month, it's an absolute no-brainer in ROI. Here's how you pitch it to them. If I could save you just one client per month, that would already cover my fee. Imagine if I saved you 5. What would that be worth? This isn't a hard sell, it's just common sense. You have that lost leads conversation with them to get them over the fence. You set this up for them one time, and they keep paying you month after month for years because it keeps delivering results. And this is just one of the services you guys can offer them. You can easily upsell these clients on social media posting and set up weekly posts using AI-generated content. Leveraging this same software, you can do website design for these folks, using a pre-built template to create a site in minutes, automate customer conversations and appointment booking, all with this same software. Each of these add more value, and you can charge higher monthly fees for them. Let's break down the numbers. At $300 per month, you only need 34 clients to hit $10,000 per month. And at $500 per month, you only need 20 clients to get there. Setup takes 5 minutes. It works on autopilot, keeps delivering results, keeps saving those deals, so the customer keeps paying you month after month. You can see why this makes sense. And so that's the play. Super straightforward, works like crazy. And I use it every day. Now, if you got value from this, do me a favor. Like the video, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below saying done. When you do, I'll send you a link to the full step-by-step training, all the templates, scripts, everything you need to make this work. Totally free. No course to buy, no coaching program, just real stuff that gets results. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.